Hey y'all, it's Zero here. So we got the Microsoft Surface Pro 9 here. Yes, another tablet, but not an iPad this time. This is my first Surface I've ever purchased, so I'm really excited to get into this and check it out. Now, the Microsoft Surface, if you don't know, this is Windows offering in the tablet space. Excuse me, these tablets have the full Microsoft Windows 11 installed on them, so they don't use a mobile operating system. Sounds like the perfect solution for those who want Mac OS on an iPad. So, being an iPad guy, I love those tablets and loving tablets in general. So this would be a good one for me to check out, because I understand the frustrations about iPad OS, and there's some things that it definitely can't do that you need a proper operating system for. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing underway. Alright. Plastics off. Oh, I had a pull tab thing. Oh well, I'll just cut it. And look at that. Surface there on the top. It looks really nice in this sapphire color. Yeah, I'm really digging this blue. Awesome. Alright. Sticky paper covering the front screen. And you can see already the screen is here in the landscape mode, like the iPad 10th generation and none of the other iPads. That's great. Just like the Tab S8 I reviewed. It has it in the right spot. Also, it looks like it has a connector port here on the bottom, and then an opening to input as an accessory. I think that's for the keyboard connections. Power volume rockers here at the top, and then not one but two USB mini ports here on the left side. It's really nice that they give you two. That's a big advantage over our iPad and Samsung tablets. And then another port on this side, maybe an SD card reader, looks like. Alright. I like that they have the kickstands. I've heard that they come with these already. I also have the rear camera and the microphone back here. It's really nice. It's made of the same material as the tablet, so aluminum or whatever they're using for this. Nice and sturdy. Sweet. Microsoft Surface Pro 9. The card goes over the ports and the buttons and things. That's two microphones in the front. Wow, nice. On either side of the camera, really nice. Another bolt ports, so they're not just USB-C. I'm not sure what that card is. It's got a little thing on it, and then a little instruction pamphlet or warranty information. And we have our power adapter cable there. Oh, this one has a power brick in the middle of the cord. So we have this connector connects to the Surface. It's the proprietary charger, like Apple has MagSafe that they use on the laptops. Yep, it goes into there, and it's magnetic as well. It goes into the side here. To charge it, and it's magnetic, so kind of like MagSafe, huh? Interesting. And we just plug in this part here. All right, big charger brick. Let's see if it says 65 watts. Wow, that's about the charger. Why is it so big? All right, I guess that's it. So Surface Pro 9 here. Both sides of it. Looks pretty similar to last year's model from what I've seen. Does have updated specs as far as using the 12th gen Intel chips. I did get the Intel version and not the ARM version. The ARM version seemed a little less powerful, but it does have 5G, which is really nice. So I did consider that version, but I wanted something that's going to last for a long time, and felt like the Intel version was the way to go for better performance. I've already seen some reviews on the ARM version, and some of the performance numbers don't look the greatest. But you know, it's just trade-off for 5G, and the more important thing is how Windows runs on it, because I guess in the past Windows hasn't really worked very great with ARMs, but supposedly that's been improved. You'll have to watch other reviews about that model for that, because I got the Intel models, the i5 model. So it's the base model, but with 256 gigabytes of storage instead of 128. 8 gigabytes of RAM. Sapphire color, of course. Yep. 12th gen Intel Core i5 processor. So there you have it. Comes with Bluetooth 5.1. It supports 6E where available, it says. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. So we're just Wi-Fi 6. Windows 11 Home. And yeah, that is the Microsoft Surface Pro 9. I'm going to check it out, and then I'll give an updated review when I get the chance to play with it a bit. This is just the unboxing, and I haven't used Surface before, so I'm not sure what to expect. I've used Windows plenty. My main laptop uses Windows, so I'm familiar with Windows and comfortable with Windows, so that's a plus. It's definitely a plus. You don't have to relearn or learn a new operating system. Just Windows, same as normal. For many people grew up on Windows over like Mac or iPad OS, of course. That wasn't around back in the days. But it's one of the reasons why a lot of people go for the Surface over an iPad or an Android tablet, because it's a familiar operating system. It's a more powerful operating system that's been around for a long time. You can do anything that desktop, laptop can do. So, it's just like a two-in-one basically, instead of being more like a tablet, which is good and bad. It's definitely nice. These iPads are getting so powerful now. I understand why people are asking for macOS, just because I don't want macOS on it. I mean, like I said in the other video, I wouldn't mind having it have like a DeX mode, like the Tab S8 Ultra does, and then that being kind of like its Mac mode to do more powerful tasks and tasks that the iPad OS can't do. But iPad OS, regardless, needs a lot of work still, and they need to make some updates to make it more usable, more user-friendly. So, that said, if you don't have time for waiting for that, this may be your best option to get desktop class OS in tablet form. That's been it. I'm going to tear into this and do a review, like I said. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.